Fueling your sedentary lifestyle, 10 protein-rich foods. In today's fast-paced world, many of us find ourselves leading sedentary lifestyles, spending long hours at desks or in front of screens. But even if our bodies aren't in constant motion, they still need essential nutrients to function optimally. Protein, in particular, plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, supporting immune function, and promoting overall well-being. Whether you're working long hours at the office or studying late into the night, incorporating protein-rich foods into your diet can help sustain energy levels and keep you feeling fuller for longer periods. Here are 10 protein-rich foods perfect for people with sedentary lifestyles. Eggs, versatile source of high-quality protein. Eggs are easy to prepare and can be enjoyed in various dishes, from omelets to salads. Greek yogurt, packed with probiotics and protein. Greek yogurt makes for a creamy and satisfying snack option. Cottage cheese, with its mild flavor and soft texture. Cottage cheese is a great addition to salads, smoothies, or enjoyed on its own. Chicken breast, lean and protein-packed. Chicken breast can be grilled, baked, or sautéed for a nutritious meal. Quinoa, as a complete protein source, quinoa is not only rich in protein, but also contains essential amino acids, making it a perfect grain alternative. Beans and legumes, whether it's chickpeas, lentils, or black beans, legumes are an excellent plant-based source of protein, fiber, and nutrients. Tofu, made from soybeans. Tofu is a versatile protein option that can be used in stir-fries, salads, or as a meat substitute in various dishes. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, peanuts, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are nutrient-dense snacks rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Salmon, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein. Salmon is not only delicious, but also provides numerous health benefits, including heart health and brain function. Edamame. These young soybeans are not only tasty, but also packed with protein and essential nutrients, making them an excellent snack option. Incorporating these protein-rich foods into your diet can help support your body's needs, even during periods of minimal physical activity. Remember, a balanced diet is key to maintaining overall health and well-being. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share with others.